All right, cool. So I did get this snap-on. This is a 38 piece combination wrench master foam set. So 38 pieces, starting off with my 19 pieces, which is a 12.7 to 25 millimeter, and a 1/4 inch drive to a 15/16. Lucky for me, I do have additional wrenches. I do have the 27, the 30, and the 36 that I'll be adding to this collection as well. I got a 1 inch, 1/16, 1/8, and 1/4, 1 and 1/4. Got the 1 inch, 1 and 1/16, 1 and 1/8, and 1 and 1/4 or 1/4 that I'll be adding to this as well, which are just bigger wrenches. Each and every one of these is a separate piece to add on to this. I don't have a really nice wrench set. This is what I've been wrenching for a while. These guys do break, but it is dependable just because you can haul everything out just like this and it gets you out of a pinch. But most definitely when I am working with my toolbox, I do use my snap-on wrenches. And I did have another set. I got rid of it, but this is the one that I'm going to be using in my toolbox. I have an extra that I bought. These are fairly cheap, but that's already missing some because they do break. Second drawer, I do have some cheap wrenches here, which I'm definitely going to clean this out and then put these in here, and it's totally going to look 100% different once I take everything out of here and then put the new ones back in. So let's get to it. I'm going to get that out of there and get this foam out of here and put this really nice, very clean collection. It's just a really nice set of wrenches. I really like the way they feel. They're light, they're really strong. Snap-on really knows how to make some tools. These are really nice hand tools. I really like the way they feel. I had a couple sets of different ones, but yeah, this is the most expensive and then the best hand tools I've ever felt and had like in my hand. This feels really good if I'm going to be working 8 to 12 hours with these. So let's get to it. I'm going to put my wrenches in their new drawer. In my opinion, this was definitely overdue. I definitely had a set of Blue Point, which is a sister company to Snap-on, and they also feel really good, but these Snap-ons actually feel a lot better. I do like how they feel. I do like how my drawer actually looks with it really clean, the foam out, and the actual extra big ones. I am going to sort these out. These are an additional set of extra long ratchet wrenches, and they're just going to be extra. I do have other ratchet wrenches and pouches and stuff like that, but as far as the toolbox itself, I highly recommend that you get yourself a nice set of actual wrenches that you enjoy, because if you're wrenching for a living, most definitely you want to have something that you're going to be using and that you like. So I really love these. So I definitely put out these wrenches for a test drive because I definitely had a couple brakes, suspensions, and a couple other trucks that I definitely did work on the side. I had a couple other of my tools actually break and I had to replace them. But these Snap-ons did come in clutch. I did put them through the test. Whatever Snap-on is doing, continue doing that, making them lighter and stronger. A mechanic like me definitely appreciates that, because definitely when I go out and do a house call, I definitely want my tools to last. I want to have tools that are reliable, so when I'm out doing a repair, I'm not actually worried or concerned about my tools breaking on the spot.